Here I've got XIAOMI Mi Mix 3, and let me show you how to enable portable hotspot on the following device. So at first open the settings, then under wireless and networks click on portable hotspot, and now by tapping on this icon you can activate your portable hotspot, just like that. You can also set up your portable hotspot by clicking on the icon name samely, and then you can change the network name by deleting the current one and just enter a new one, hard reset. And you can also change the password, just click on the eye icon to see what your current password is, and then enter a new one. You just have to remember that the password must have at least 8 characters, and once it's done, click on OK, this icon. And that's it. Now you've activated your portable hotspot. It has new name and also new password. If you would like to have a quick access to the portable hotspot, slide down the upper bar, locate the portable hotspot. In my case it's here, and you can switch it off and on simply by tapping on this icon. So that's it. This is how you can use and share your internet through the portable hotspot. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.